This looks like a ferret popsicle. That sounds really sad and gross because ferrets are cute. Okay, I said I'm gonna have some new detailing videos coming up for you guys in upcoming videos, and I've collaborated with Detailer's Domain, which is going to be supplying me products so that way my detailing videos are not so backyard garagey. Also with this collaboration, I'm going to be doing a giveaway for my 50,000 subscriber milestone if I ever get there. So I'm really excited. For those of you that are huge detailing enthusiasts, you're probably really gonna like this video because the stuff he sent me is amazing.
Wow.
So let's get to unboxing. I got a knife. That wasn't smart. I have white pants on. It wasn't very smart of me to wear white pants because these boxes were sent through the postal system, so they're probably really gross. Ha! An old towel. Okay. Drum roll, please. Where'd I put the knife? That would have been bad if I would have sat on this. Okay, box number 1. What did they send me? I don't look like I know what I'm doing when I'm opening this. I swear I know what I'm doing. Cut away from you. Ooh, it smells good. Smells like tree corpse. Paper. That's exciting. Lots of high-tech stuff. Paper. This is packaged really well. Oh no. Oh man. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's so sweet. Sent me a bouquet of nozzles. Smell like nozzles. It's a little wet. Paper. Paper. What is this? Candy Christmas. Candy Christmas from Phytech. I have to smell it because it says Candy Christmas. Oh. Oh, it smells like car cleaning stuff. Oh. That's strong. That's so powerful. I shouldn't have smelled that. Like, I know the product's probably concentrated, but the smell is also concentrated. I can't wait to read about all these products. So this one is an applicator pad. Rims. Rim coating. Ooh, I'm trying this on the Forester on my Pro Drives for sure. The Pro Drives on my Forester, the finish, because they're matte anthracite, definitely is in need of some TLC. Rain Stop. This is probably like the caviar version of Rain-X. Decontamination. Oh, it's clay lube. Fast wax, P6 protection, P3 decontamination. Box number 1. So that box was all Phytech products. I'm not endorsing anyone eat this, by the way. It looks delicious. Okay, anyway. So here's what they sent me. I have the rims, crystal, and windshield, car gliss, slick, glide, fast wax, and stop rain, the foam bubble, along with the mirror, sprint, cockpit, and hydro stop. And then these are the applicator pads and microfiber cloths that came with these 3 bottles that were in the plastic bags that you saw me open up earlier. I'm gonna definitely have to read the invoice and all the information he sent me on these products so I can properly learn how to use them. I think that is like the main thing to focus on when you're using a new detailing product, is to not just go and use it the way you think you would normally use a product, like, oh, this is for tires, oh, this is for glass, I just smear it on, wipe it off. Like, I think it's really important to read that brand's specific instructions because they may differ slightly from other products by different manufacturers. So this is definitely something I want to get myself educated on before I go and use this stuff. And I'm super excited and thankful he sent me these products because this is gonna take my detailing to like a whole new level. So hopefully I'll be able to make a lot better content for you guys when it comes to detailing. Ah, the box is falling. This is some next level stuff. Ceramic coating. Ooh, Hydrosilex. Protection from contaminants, UV rays, oxidation, self-cleaning effect. Ooh, ceramic surface coating. Ooh, I'm so excited. I got some ceramic surface coating for all surfaces. Foam bubble. Shampooing moussant. Ooh, that smells good. That smells really good. What do you guys want me to open? I got a tall box, an enormous box that's not even in frame, and then this box next to me. Okay, great answer. I think I'm gonna open the tall box. Next. Oh God, this is huge. I already know what this is because I can read the label, but I'm gonna pretend like I don't to make a better illusion for camera. Okay. Oh my God, this thing's heavy. This is a tripod. This is no joke. Oh my God. I mean, it's heavy. It smells like shower curtain. Oh, strong. Okay, so it's a scan grip tripod. There's more. There's more. Ooh, ouch. Came with a head. Came with a head. I guess I gotta open the rest of this to understand what this goes to. So this is like an unbreakable tripod. Next. I'm gonna save the biggest for last. Okay, next box. I said next box, I didn't say Xbox. Next box. Paper. I'm gonna have such a mess to clean up. Paper. Ooh. Looks like this one leaked. Ooh, it's leaking right now as we speak. Okay, so this is the Nanolex line that he sent me. So I got Nanolex pre-wash. The lid was a little bit loose, so it started leaking, but it smells really good. There's so much excitement in this box. Oh, they're already attached to stuff. Okay, I'll contain my excitement a little bit. Okay, there's only 3 in this bouquet. More nozzles. I don't want to mix up the Nanolex with the Phytech, so. Ooh, this is so pure. Between McKee's 37, Nanolex, and Phytech, I'm good with products now. I'm excited to like start using all this stuff. All right, next is X. This is X. Just what I needed. Another X. Wheel cleaner, insect remover, interior cleaner. Ooh, what's it smell like? Ooh. Here I am on YouTube just smelling chemicals. It just smells clean. This has got a good smell to it. Odex, a scent-free, fast-acting odor eliminator. It doesn't smell like anything because it's an odor eliminator. Makes sense. Gloss. It's gloss polish. Gloss. One S. Gloss polish. I definitely can't wait to try this out on the MR2's windshield because that's gonna be a test for a really bad windshield. Pretty much have something for every step of the detail. So everything from the microfiber wash to the X tar remover, insect remover, tire and rubber restorer, pre-wash concentrate, interior cleaner, wheel cleaner and iron remover for brake dust, wash coat and final finish, as well as Odex, Sci finish, textile and leather sealant, gloss polish, trim rejuvenator, ultra glass, and Sci shield. If you're wondering like what all these products are and what they do, you will see them over time as I use them on cars. So it'll make lots of content for detailing. Holy crap. Oh, this is a serious package. Okay, cut towards something else. Oh my God. Sports. Leather Masters. Leather protection cream, strong cleaner for leather, leather vital. Oh, it's not that heavy. Oh man. Yes, I'm so excited. Oh, don't stare directly at the light. Cool, so now I can actually look for swirls the correct way. And then check this out. I'm so excited for this. This head that I got with the tripod is for this guy. It sits in there somehow. I don't know, definitely gonna have to read the instructions on this also. It's locked in there. Dude, this is awesome. Ooh, there we go. Oh, I looked at it. Oh, it's even brighter. What the hell's wrong with me? Okay, I'm starting to be able to see where my camera is now. Ooh, a bunch of you guys in the comments section suggested that I try out wheel wellies. I've got a lot of comments on using these. So now I have a set of wheel wellies to clean wheels with. Really excited. This looks like a ferret popsicle. That sounds really sad and gross because ferrets are cute. Lots of detailing brushes. This is gonna be a huge time saver using higher quality products. I'll be able to focus more on the quality of my detailing because I'm not gonna be focusing on using subpar quality products that I've been using in the past. This is, it's like horse shampoo. Leatherique, leather restoration. Oh, it works on plastic, vinyl, rubber bumpers, canvas top, pH correct. Ooh. So I'm definitely gonna be using this on the MR2. I told Phil what I was doing with the MR2, which I'm gonna be probably starting this content next week on wet sanding and polishing the entire MR2 because it needs a cut and a buff. Plus I gotta paint some panels and then wet sand those too. So he sent me a correcting compound from Jesscar. So I've been using the 3M stuff. I'm really excited to try something new. So this is awesome. It says it removes 1,500 grit scratches and that's what I've been wet sanding with. So that's awesome. And micro finishing polish also by Jesscar. So awesome. This will replace my 3M products I've been using before because I was like literally out of it. Ooh, some mitts. Awesome. So Detailer's Domain sent me some of their wash mitts, which is good because I was about time I got new ones anyway. A brush. Oh man, are you serious? It's a clay bar sponge, I think. Pretty sure that's what this is. It's the clay bar pad. Oh, this is it. Oh yeah, okay, they both are. I can't wait to use this. It's the clay sponge. Clay mitt, like a clay mitt. It's a clay sponge. I'm excited to try those. I have so much detailing products now. This is, wow. I don't even know what to say. A t-shirt, right? I think it's a t-shirt. Ooh, cute. I'm excited. That's a really cute shirt too. Now I need to get my own merch. Thank you, Phil at Detailer's Domain. And I'm gonna give you guys his Instagram link down below. His Instagram is all detailing content and he does some really amazing cars on there. I highly recommend checking out his Instagram if you want to see lots of really clean cars. So I will see you guys soon with another video. Bye. Next Zet Leader Pledge.